This is my crib. My crib, the people I hang with, and everything else. I know y'all see it. This is where I live at every day. And y'all don't want to give me a shot. I'm the best rapper out there. That's what do I really give a fuck. However it goes though, 86 is 86. You're looking at the ghosts. Y'all know what I do. Like what you hear? I'm already here. Right now we gotta go. I'm always here, people. It's your boy. Holla.